practitioners of Gyimiis and Gyambros have entered Ghana. Now, when somebody dies, we don't even have respect for the dead anymore. We can take a dead body and then put the dead body and put the dead body in the kitchen, and then we say because she was a cook, because she was a choba. Nonsense. Nonsense.
Yo. Hey, rate na ye lusu ye values no. Me dofo ebro adwene ne ntiase so. Kamia say America krani some few years social media ye popular or Ghana kakra. Anya who say so obi wu a na ebia oton dokuna ubon say efrada kan ya ne say dokono ne de na tum. So obi to nyom na sabi ofiri ma na yabobo adaka no te say microphone ne de na tum. Enu free ho anya hu say nkrofo bi baaye no mo de adaka na si o mabati na o mo sa na amanfo ani age. Enu free ho no say sia de aba ne de medofo ha adwene kakra. De aba sesia no eni enyan. Na me hwehwe mu kakra ma yen so kire say sabi so obi free ma na mu no wo ye ne basabasa Ghana mratia sa ade no. Enu ntina sabi se woni efunu bi ekoda obi a wawu no woni ne da na yehu a yetimi chew eye me won wase nansen a che se guy bi ba sompa omo talk show ni so obeka se oye mochreman oni funu da ne nyoma enu minim ba bi ekosi ye sa nipa ne se ne ko se police for che no bibi sa ne si a o se police for ba mi e che no na yehu se mra na ye adwuma bi na edite other people so mo nkoye sa ade no because obi ba high street ni so ebeka so ni funu die na se ejeje ho na se ye ka ne sa agro bi my dear nipa adwene before the sabi dodo na adwene mo omre o so far as obi abetena radio ni so o ka so ni funu die ni nyoma ankosi hwei no wo ho se me ko try bi because high street ni so de unya ka asem to so a ebi be omo nim nyansa no be fa de yeye sabi omo adwene mo omre no so no ebedane no me amomo. I can't remember guy ne be cast on funu da den na say no ne ba ko bi ada ogina ne so enu nti omo ano na o say ko police for che no near the set example ma Ghana for nyina hu say sabi so bi free man na amu no ana say na amu no oda so ya aban nipa kopem say de ne be hye form enu nti woni won kwan say sabi obi a wawu ana say amu a yadeda no wo ye ne basabasa medofo now no rate na sabi obi free ma ye deda no ha adwene kakra yes obi bobo na mu no ye de nyoma hye mu na gira to say player yes obi to nyom yes obi ye DJ ni ahye no na manfo ene na mamu ni ho na omo suso ni mu yao Ghana. No, my dear Asia. Na energy sam kesia enne medanya ne yemahu no high street no so yan papa Prophet Kofi Oduro medofo wabekasa. Hey Prophet Kofi Oduro babia wo bia papa nyame nhyiraw. On say Christianity no eba seka yemwa ma yasetena mu no hu yenhu nyansa. Ana Christianity ni so no mintimi nkase we no kay omadwuma but sabi empanimfo no mudidi yanim won sorry mu ne religious bodies no emra so say omuti omani hwani omabi kakra because baby anyoma Ghana ekeka kono medofo ahomete na me danyame asepa say Prophet Kofi Oduro aye bold abe raise awareness no me show me video unya bia ukuro mu hene tag no mame ne ka che ne say nana eni diem die omude emu anase sabi obi a wa free ma ya deda no omude yesese no enye aye no me what you say sabi obi a wa free mu kra na ya deda no wa hu de me cho no there are so many infections eni say nipa bebre di omo nsa keka ne nyoma no mama yenye nipa kakra because baby akeka kono eni enyan ade empanifo asan e wo Ghana na ana sesi ampanifo ni tumi bie ma me kyese nsemi wo awdwene wo onti ase enoma bi wo ho a esia moma nyina enfo ya no ntum mesro medafo saade we eya yenyan tan bufu ahomete so bo so de hye bia wu na ya deda no na ya tam no na sia konko na just no say film. Yes, okoto say eja she o yonko abodwe sa. E wo so sense so si wudie ho. My dear, enyoma we sha ase a eyen kakra e be kakra de Ghana for di efunu be ye no wan hwe e be gini pansem. Enu nti no we de e be sre Ghana mpanimfo omo de dadeda nkura no omo fa nko parliament na semra no e wo so mo hyemu kina omo hyemu kina omo ma police for no enya we omo mienye education mo wo ho sesabi efunu nya ade a ye de ensa keka no rough both physically and spiritually no e wo implications bebree muma yemu humanity kakra because baby e keka kono time aden my betna abrochire for 15 good years enipa wu am yakɔhwɛ nane ne nioma said omu si organize bodies no medafo enye ize kura so betimi no nside den onsampo aka to the extent say okofa na soa ne yema bi ka banku ne yema bi ka abete ne ebi sankwan ebi yemomo aden die nkwa ne hayen boni aden na ya adwene no emu yemre day in day out boni ben nkwa ne aye mesra mo amokasa asabi eduru dwom no mo atumi kuta mo Ghana no eni diem mo nsemra ahemfo no we di I think say ahemfo ni mom no say yesiro mo say omo nsemra mo de Roma kuro bia asonte say sabi ye de danipa ye de da no na ya hyene monyam emre ne so ye de na to na dakam din na yakɔpɛ no krabie sɛ yɛfa emu asoa ne saa nneɛma no ɛwɔ sɛ mpanifo no de omu na esi fam na saa deɛ no yɛtwam ɛna ne yɛkyerɛ ya because ɛnyɛ both physically and spiritually no ɛnyɛ ma yɛn yɛnkɔ the camp of Prophet Kofi Oduro na yɛnkɔ tie nsɛm a ɔno nso de baayɛ.
Look at the minds of mediocrity and the minds of the foolishness of Gyimiis and Gyimiii is what have entered Ghana. Foolishness of Gyimiis and Gyimiii have entered Ghana. Now when somebody dies, we don't even have respect for the dead anymore. You can take a dead body and then put the dead body and put the dead body in the kitchen, and then we say because she was a cook, because she was a choba. Nonsense. Nonsense. Sometimes I ask, in that family, are there no elders? Are there no elders? But you see, it is not only the elderly that is always wise. Job chapter 32 and verse number 7, 8, or 9. Get a verse. The Bible made us submit. Not the elderly. That is. Job 32 verse 9. Great men are not always wise. Obi on mama say, or what Jenny when yini or ye 80 years, Nania Fienanka, you didn't need a man of bad. Who ye Gyimiii for? Serious. Where Gyimiii? Obi a we Gyimiii ubon pie man we Gyimiii what kasachire we Gyimiii utunefu we Gyimiii ye Gyimiii. Gyimiis and Gyimiii were fools according to the prescriptions of God's word. We take a dead body and then they put the dead body out of the coffin and they carry the dead body, marching the dead body through the streets. You go to advanced country, a person dies in an accident scene or a crime scene, they don't even show the body. Decency, they don't pray in tongues. You people are here praying in tongues with foolishness as a nation. Gyimiii is the truth. Gyimiii, and I'm going to quote scriptures to it. I'm not just talking. Gyimiii. Psalm 94 verse 11, the Bible said the Lord knows what is in the heart of a man. He knows that everything is vanity. And so Jeremiah chapter 4:22, the Bible said, if it is a Gyimiii, he personalized it. My people are foolish. They don't know me. They are Scottish people. They have none understanding. They are wise to do evil, and good they have no knowledge. Turn this into my language. The Bible said clearly, if it's a mema Gyimii, Gyimii Gyimii. Gyimii. Carry even a dead body in a coffin and throw the casket away. Break the casket into pieces and throw the pieces of the rubble and the dead body into the pit and close it up. What was the sense of even putting the person in a coffin in the first place? And why do we wash them, beautify that body and all that? Because of Gyimii. Gyimii have hold us with. Gyimii have made, listen, Gyimii have made even young people throw their destiny into the gutter. Yeah. Gyimii.
You to know, Ubia, Mumian follow Bona. Bona show, Bona, Mumia, may best spell Bona, AOTS.